Hi friends, welcome to Pharmatree. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Pulseoximeter, which is the most important and highly demanded medical device in this pandemic. A Pulseoximeter is a small, lightweight device used to measure the amount of oxygen carried in the body. This non-invasive tool attaches painlessly to your fingertip, sending two wavelengths of light through the finger to measure your pulse rate and how much oxygen is in your system. In the current video, we are going to demonstrate how to use the pulse oximeter to measure your pulse rate as well as oxygen saturation level at your home. Let's see what is SpO2. SpO2, also known as oxygen saturation, is a measure of the amount of oxygen carrying hemoglobin in the blood relative to the amount of hemoglobin not carrying oxygen. The body needs there to be a certain level of oxygen in the blood or it will not function as efficiently. In fact, very low levels of SpO2 can result in very serious symptoms. This condition is known as hypoxemia. Let's see what is pulse rate. Pulse rate is the number of heartbeats per minute. The resting pulse rate for an average adult is between 60 and 80 beats per minute. Now let's start the demonstration. We have a pulse oximeter. So press the power on button and on the pulse oximeter. Now, put your finger into the slot given and close the device. Wait for a few seconds. You will observe the pulse oximeter readings. The pulse oximeter readings shows the SpO2 level as well as the pulse rate. Kindly note your SpO2 level as well as the pulse rate and record them and compare the normal values. If you find any of abnormality, then kindly report to your nearest doctor. We have extra tip for you in this video. If you are planning to buy a pulse oximeter, then kindly buy it in the offline stores. There are many fake pulse oximeters available in the market, which shows even the reading of non-living objects like pencil. So please check by inserting a pencil to the pulse oximeter before you buy. This was today's video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more updates. Hope you like the video. If you like, please like the videos and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like video, please make like button blue and make red subscribe button white or black. Press bell icon to be notified for our upcoming videos and do share to all your friends and make them to be my friends. To be with us in contact, please join our Telegram channel. Check the link in description.